Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to send one-time photo on WhatsApp. First, you are going to open WhatsApp. Then you are going to select the chat that you would like to send the photo to. Then you are going to tap on the plus in the bottom left-hand corner. And you are going to select Photo and Video Library. Then from here you are going to select the photo that you are going to send. And in the bar where you see add a caption, you will see one. You are going to tap on one, and by selecting one, the photo will be sent, and the person that taps on the photo will only be able to view the photo once, and then it will automatically be deleted. After tapping on one, you are going to tap on the send icon, and that's it. As you can see right there, the photo has been sent and you see a 1 beside it. So once it has been opened, the person can only view the photo once and then it will automatically disappear. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.